Hello everyone over there at Home Renew 360. My name is Charles Marine. I work with Warley Digital, which is a company I formed which helps small businesses attract more of their target clients locally. Thank you for allowing me to shoot this short video. I wanted to just give you guys 3 tips that can help you optimize your website in order for you to attract more clients. You may ask, why am I doing this? I've found that a lot of the clients I work with or potential business owners are way too busy to learn about this kind of stuff. And also, there's so many different SEO experts out there. So I just wanted to kind of prove myself by giving you 3 tips that you can implement now by yourself with your website person or your SEO person, and that can help you start attracting more clients by rising up in Google search results for your local service that you provide. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let me get started. The 3 things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content refers to everything on your home page. Everything that Google considers content is all the text, all the images, everything that I've highlighted. All that is content. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text, saturated with keywords that people use to search for your services on your front page. So that's between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content. I don't see that you have that many. So it'd be good to increase the amount of content showing what you do, who you are, so that Google can recognize that you're an authority in this niche. I can see that you already have a lot of keywords like this kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, but they're not local keywords. If they were kitchen remodel, for example, kitchen remodeling Long Beach. If you type this into Google, this is someone who's probably a buyer who's intent on purchasing your services would type this. Now, what you get here after typing in this keyword in Google, usually the first thing you'll see is a Google ad. These are always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have ad blockers. So people who buy Google ads face the risk of missing a lot of the market. The second section here you have is called a map pack. Map pack consists of 3 businesses. Usually there might be one ad here, but 3 businesses with a local map, and I'll talk about that in a while. And the third part here are the organic search results. And you can see one of your competitors here is close to the top of the organic search results, so he gets a lot more clicks than anyone who's on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th page of Google. Therefore, more traffic. If you were able to get here, you'd be able to steal a lot of his traffic or her traffic and get more clients. All right, so back to content. Content is everything on your front page, including the pictures and what they're saved as. So if I try to see what it's saved as, it's important to save it as keywords. For example, if this is kitchen remodeling, I would save that as kitchen remodeling in Long Beach, for example. So Google can tell that your site is authoritative. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations has to do with that section I mentioned earlier called the map pack. Now, this map pack to appear here just means that you have the most authoritative and the highest number of citations across the internet. What citations are anywhere in any online directory that your name, address, and phone number are cited. For example, directories like Yelp, LinkedIn, Dexnos, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. All these directories, authoritative directories, if your name, address, and phone number are listed there, think of it like a popularity contest. The more they're in, the higher you'll rank on this part. And once again, a lot of people click on this map pack when they're looking for local services. Third thing I wanted to talk about was backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with this organic listings here. Now, if you think of backlinks as a link that's directing traffic to your website. So a link on any other website directing traffic to your website. So if you're mentioned in a blog of kitchen remodelers, a forum for kitchen remodelers in Southern California, and there's a link to your website there, that's considered a backlink, and Google sees that as a strong backlink. Because not all backlinks are made the same. If you think of it, if a Pizza Hut on the East Coast has a blog and has your and links to you, that wouldn't make a lot of sense, and Google will see these are two different niches, separate locations. This is probably a spammy link and will not rank it as high for you. Now I have a tool. This is a popular tool called Ahrefs, and with it you can analyze different websites. And I took the liberty of putting your website here and looking at. First of all, let me just mention, when I search for kitchen remodeling Long Beach in Google, I notice you're not on the front page. Though I found you guys through Angie's List, so I know that you're paying for ads, and I think it would be much better for you guys to actually rank, use the asset that you already have, which is your website, to attract customers. So and you're not on the second page. So I put your website into this tool called Ahrefs, and I can analyze it. And I see, first of all, that you have, from 26 domains, you have tons of backlinks. And most of them, on a scale from 0 to 100, are low strength. So I can tell there must be a lot of spammy backlinks. Let me hop into them and see. Because this tool is very powerful. It can actually analyze your backlinks and your competitors as well. And you see there are tons of these IsraeliWeek.com backlinks. So I'm pretty sure Google sees these backlinks. Let's go to one of them. And Google sees this as spammy for your website, and that's why you're not ranking that high. It would be important to get rid. Oh, I guess it's windows and doors, but in Israeli. I'm not sure. Well, let's look at another one. Well, I'm just trying to analyze your backlinks just to make sure they're not. Yeah, this is a spammy backlink. Yeah. So if I was you, I'd hand this to your website person and ask them to fix your backlink profile. Another thing I want to show you with this tool is the keywords, so I can tell what keywords you're ranking for, what volume what number of people per month are looking for it, and the traffic that you're getting. For example, 50 people look for a home renew 360 review, and you get 5 people coming in because you're in the 4th position on Google. Just taking this, let me take this keyword that I searched for before. Imagine I'm a customer and I'm looking for this. First thing I want to see by domain, I can show you that 17 people go to Yelp, 5 people go to your competitors reborncabinets.com. Now, if you would rank higher for that keyword, you'd be able to grab this traffic. And if you go to their website, your competitor's website, and look at their keywords and see what they're ranking high for example, San Diego kitchen remodel, about 3,000 people search, the volume of 3,000 people searching for that per month. They get about 104 people per month because they're in the 9th position, which is on the second page of Google. So it would be important to rank for this keyword, and the way you can do that is just analyze it by domain, see who's ranking the highest for it, go to their website, look at their backlinks, make sure you have the same high quality backlinks, and then not only that, beat them by probably 100 or 200 backlinks. Therefore, you'd be able to grab this all the traffic that they're getting from that one keyword. Let me go back and show you. 1 second. Yeah, they're grabbing 199 people because they're in the second position. So it's very easy but it takes time. However, analyze their backlink profile, make sure you have the same amount and high quality backlinks, and then beat them by more. So I hope showed you something. Hand these tips over to your website or SEO person. I'm sure they can help you start ranking and attracting more customers. If you'd like to save time and work with me, and if you like the things I've shown you, again, my name is Charles Marine. This is me over here, and you can contact me at 215-372-5797 or just send me an email. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and all the best.